Hello, everyone. Today, we'll quickly learn how to turn on Snapchat notifications for a more engaging experience. Let's get started. Open Snapchat app and tap your profile icon or emoji icon in the upper left corner. Tap the gear icon or setting button in the upper right corner. Scroll down until you find notification option, tap on it. Check the notifications options which you want to receive to enable Snapchat notifications. Another option is that you can go to Setting app on your mobile. Open the Notifications and Control Center. Next, choose App Notifications option. Apps notifications list will appear. Toggle on Snapchat notification. That's it. You've successfully turned on Snapchat notifications. Enjoy staying updated with your friends' snaps and messages. For more tips, subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Feel free to leave your questions or suggestions in the comments below. See you in the next tutorial.